Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. Got a haircut. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't made any videos. I forgot. You ever forget? Happened to me. Yeah, so we're going through the hurricane right now, and right here it doesn't look very bad at the moment. But I'm here at my grandma too, and she's moving now because I'm making the video, and she knows I'm gonna put her in it at some point, and she doesn't want to be in it. So I guess I really can't. Yeah, my grandparents are down here for a week. What a great week to come by. We get, like the day that they came, they got like a 10-minute delay because of airplane, because of the earthquake. So what's going on with you guys? I want to talk to you guys and see how y'all are doing. I made some new pictures. Let's see what I made here. Gear heart, weird gear star. Not really an accurate picture of Davi Vandy. Loving picture of blood on that asshole. Iggy Boo with the bubbles. I couldn't really find the Soul Eater thing, so I just kind of made it up as I went along. I gotta find the actual one so I can draw it. And as you all may know, I do love cupcakes. I love cupcakes. I like this picture. I just did all those last night. That's for the characters in the books that I made. This is something that the guy that I worked with named Brady made. I don't talk to him anymore. He's not here anymore. He's back in Pennsylvania. Something. Says Candy Kids. Uh-oh, my music stopped. Means I gotta find a Titanic song. Here's a Be a Star and Try Love on Her Arm. And the heartagram. Night Before October. I screwed it up because I meant to do October, but instead for some reason I put an E. I don't know what MBE is, but I put an E. DJ Six or DJ Sicky now. That's me. The Fat Pants I'm working on making. The hoodie. This is a song by 10 Years called Fix Me. So yeah, don't try to fix me. There's nothing wrong with me. This is the character that you saw before, Michael Sicky. This is Panda, as you can see because of the hair. This is for Paul, actually, Zeki Jester. Then we got this one's for Elena. Really lovable. For Elena's little brother Sam, McLovable. Got his little goggles on. Some random dude that I just drew for no reason. This one I'm actually really proud of. I thought it was pretty cool. We got we got the rainbow, toxic or radioactive symbol. We got Lickety. Some random design I decided to draw. I got the sun up here. Got a star, yin yang, and a skull. And we got the mushroom, of course, with the headphones on. And if you look, the headphones go all the way down, and they crack into the wall. I thought that was pretty neat. And I drew some little vampire with goggles on. And yeah, that's it. So, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to ramble today, so talk to you guys later. Peace out. And as always, have a nice day.